This is a co-challenge for black. If you're black in this situation, and you're playing a real game, of course you would want to try to kill white. But as we already know, the result will be a ko. So settling on a ko is also okay, of course. So white has no cutting points. So there's really not a weakness in white's shape. So the first thing you want to try, of course, is to reduce white's eye space. And the most obvious move is this one. But this will fail, because now white has plenty of eye space. There's just no way black can kill white. Playing here will not work either, right? Because these 5 and 6 are miai. If black occupies 5, white will occupy 6. So that is why number 1 will not work. But of course you can move into the eye space much faster, like this. But number 1 here, this large knight's extension on the first line, also doesn't work, because white can play this move, sacrificing number 2, but this Atari will be sente. Otherwise, white will be able to capture number 1 and 3 like this. And number 7, number 11 will give white 2 real eyes. And if number 7 is here, white can live this way very easily. So number 1 is actually not a good move here. It's a good endgame move, but it's not a killing move. The correct move is this small knight's extension here on the first line. Now white's sacrifice is not as effective. If white tries this, then white will die. It'll be something like this, because 1 and 5 after white captures will still be a fake eye after number 9. That's why playing here will not work, but this will be better for white. Now black pulls back, and white has to make the eye space as large as possible. Otherwise, this is not enough, right? This will be a bulky 5 shape. So white has to make it as large as possible. And again, black cannot come in like this. This will allow white to live, or this. But there's a weakness in white's shape at 2 and 4. And that is this Atari right here. White cannot just connect. If white connects here, then white will be dead in a bulky 5 shape like this. So white's only chance is to play right here. And black can capture the ko. And that is the ko we are looking for in this problem. How does it play out? If black wins, black can just connect here, and white will be dead after number 9. If white manages to capture back, now black can play this, right? This is a local ko threat. White cannot connect here. White is automatically dead after number 12, because this is not enough eye space to make 2 eyes. So that's why number 12 must play here, and now black captures back. And if white captures back again and goes on to win the ko, it'll be something like this. So black captures first, and black has a local ko threat. So it's a pretty good ko for black to play. And 1, 3, and 5 is the correct sequence that we're looking for here. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.